Hey everybody, check out this Waterfall Cascading card. It uses the Friendly Seagulls stamp set, which is available in the upcoming Sale-a-Bration promotion. It runs from January 7th to February 28th, and for every $60 US that you spend, you can pick a free product from this catalogue. And these super duper little seagulls were one of them. The thing I like about it most is there's a stamp that says French fries and there's a stamp that says chips. And personally, for me as a Brit, I love that it says chips. So there's a couple of them. Check out all the details on my blog. Check out the link to the long video below. Don't forget to check back on January 7th for the Sale-a-Bration. If you want a catalogue, let me know. And in the meantime, thanks so much for watching.